Hey guys, so something you're going to notice when you're restoring is that there's going to be a shift of the skin down the shaft, and it's going to happen through the tugging process. And what's going to happen is that you're going to have some unwanted hairs traveling down the shaft, whereas normally for an unrestored or uncircumcised penis, you would have just nothing on the shaft and everything is down at the base. All the hair's down at the base. But when you restore, you're creating new skin. You're also tugging that skin along. Some of that mitosis, skin duplication, skin growth happens along the base. So you're going to have some hairs that slowly travel up, and it's not a sightly way to look. So for those of you like me who want to look as natural as possible, you could do this. You can use the Feather Eyebrow Touch-Up Razor, and this is a cool tool that you can find at your local Korean supermarket. That's where I got mine. Or you can go online, eBay, and just Google or just search Feather Eyebrow Touch-Up Razor, and you'll find a pack of these, which are about $5, maybe $6 with shipping. And you can get 3 of these. They last a long time. And yeah. So what they are basically eyebrow shavers, but the cool thing is that they have this ruffled edge to them on the blade, which is really safety, pro safety. Like, reason why I wouldn't normally just use clippers or something like electric clippers or maybe a Gillette razor, because those I've noticed have a tendency to nick, and after a few times you really don't want to repeat that feeling. So yeah, I improvised and I found one of these guys, and they are designed so you can just rub them dry or drag them dry across your skin and shave off hairs down to a length where the hair is not even visible, or you can't even feel them either. You know, that's the purpose of this. It's for cosmetic reasons, and it will serve this purpose just fine. So this razor is really safe. It doesn't nick at all. You see the ruffled edges. And yeah, you just can use this to narrow in and precisely nick off anything that is growing, and it's really quick, really efficient. It chops easily. It's like chopping down a very tiny tree. And yeah, it's not going to be like a bunch of hair, so you're not going to have to be doing this all over the place. It's just going to be a few scattered around, but enough where it makes a difference in look and feel. So if you want to be completely natural and have it smooth as you would originally have it, you would want to invest in one of these, and you would just take them and just chop away one by one. And I'm telling you, like, after giving it a quick go over, it makes a huge difference. It feels totally different, and that's one of the ways to improve your overall finished look, to make it as natural as possible. And yeah, so you don't need any shaving cream or anything. You just drag it over and it just chops it down, and that is what this is for. You can pick them up on eBay, so check them out. It's called the Flamingo Feather Razor, and that is my tip for today. Check one of these guys out, and happy restoring.